with you and for you. It's a beautiful thing. Through the wind, through whatever, family's gonna be there for you.
That's right.
So great meeting you guys. Keep doing what you're doing, and I'm looking forward to seeing you at different events and as you guys continue to grow your business.
Thank you.
All right, no problem. All right, it was great meeting JT. Very positive. Standing by their business. As you see, they had a truck, but they also had a trailer. You see that? With the whole restaurant on the trailer. You cannot.
Welcome to the Champions Playbook Business Consulting Firm, where we specialize in multiplying your business sales with our business growth habits and business partnership development. Just go to thechampionsplaybooktcp.com and download our secret sales growth guide S to immediately lay the foundation to multiply the sales for your business.
Top that. That is something very special. So let's go ahead and continue.
Thank you for watching this video presented by the Champions Playbook Business Consulting Firm, specializing in sales by multiplying your business sales with our business growth habits and business partnership development. Are you not hitting your sales goals with your business? Are you tired of not having the resources to be successful with your business? Go to thechampionsplaybooktcp.com and download our free Secret Sales Growth Guide S right on the homepage to build the foundational habits to multiply the sales of your business. If you want to access the marketing agency we partner with to get in front of hundreds of ready-to-buy prospects every month, get the Secret Sales Growth Guide Gold. Also on the homepage of our website. It has created, on average, over $100,000 in the first 6 months of using the guide for our clients. We look forward to helping you multiply the sales of your business and win at the highest level with your business.
Winning plays every day. TCP will show you the way. Accomplish your goals and never fold. Just follow the winning plays that you've been told. The Champions Playbook will help you win, and your success will never end. Winning plays, winning plays.